When Vince and Jennifer found this 2,800 square foot suburban home, it was exactly what their family needed. 10 years later, they've not only grown to a family of 9, but grown apart when it comes to their home.
Since we've been in this house, we've added 4 kids, and what really made this house not work for us was having the 7th kid. There's just not enough room for him. He doesn't even have his own bedroom. We have 4 girls in 1 bedroom, and we have Danny's room and Nick's room. And we now have the nomadic baby who moves around in a porta crib that we assemble and disassemble a couple times a day. We need a house with more space.
My husband is crazy for wanting to leave this place. All of our memories are here, and the children have grown here and love it.
We do not have enough bathrooms. We have 1 kid bathroom that all the 7 kids use, and then we have the 1 master bathroom, which the kids end up using because of the overflow.
But we make it work.
It's really hard when they're all trying to get ready, and they're bumping over each other, and they're each reaching for toothbrushes and combs.
It can be a little bit of a challenge, but it's a great chance for them to help each other and have patience and learn how to share space.
The room Jennifer uses to homeschool her little ones is also the only space all 7 kids have to hang out in.
This is just too many things to ask of 1 room. You can't ask 1 room to be a classroom and to be a little kid place and a teen hangout.
But a teen hangout space certainly isn't going to happen on the main floor because it's got its own issues to contend with.
Our kitchen is just outdated. The countertop is cracked and the cabinets are worn out. Floors are worn down. They've been taking a lot of abuse over the years with 7 kids and a dog.
We just have to make a few minor changes, and it'll be fine.
It's too crowded at family dinner. We have all 9 of us around there and all the food, and there's just no room for us to really eat.
It is a tight space, but maybe we could open that space up.
That's what everybody says. Just tear it down and it'll be fine. And the biggest problem with our kitchen is there's this wall that separates the kitchen from the living room. So when the kids are playing in the living room, you can't see them when you're in the kitchen.
That's true. But the easy solution is just take the wall down.
Let's just keep moving the walls. Why don't we just buy the house with the walls in the right place?
Should we do the list?
Yes.
Add at least 1 bedroom, add a bathroom, renovate and reconfigure the kitchen, renovate master bath and closet, and create a hangout space for teens.
That's it? My list is a little longer. A minimum of 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, updated kitchen, a homeschool room, hangout space for teens, garage, and same neighborhood. They don't need a house, they need a mansion, which I'm gonna get them. Let's go.
I'll catch up with you.
Hilary and David meet up with Vince and Jennifer to find out what kind of budgets they'll be working with.
All right, so we've been to your house, and you guys clearly need more space than you have.
Yes.
I've done an evaluation on your house. Current value is $327,000. How does that sound?
I think it sounds like a perfect house to stay in.
Oh, I can see this is gonna be difficult, just like you.
So you should be used to it.
I should be. It's shocking that I'm not.
It really is.
What is the budget for the new house?
$450,000.
How much money do I have to spend?
$90,000.
I'm gonna make this house work for you, and when I'm done, you're gonna love it.
Oh, I'm certain you can do that.
No, 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 no. I'm gonna find you the space for those 7 kids.
Yes.
And when I find that perfect house, the only thing you're gonna be saying about this current house is list it.
Well, we'll see about that.
Cheers, Jennifer.
David is already out the door and determined to turn a $450,000 house hunting budget into the home with enough function and space to make Jennifer move. Determined to make the most out of every inch of this home's potential, Hilary's team has already cleared out the attic and is hard at work loading in materials, putting down new subfloor, and building the small amount of support structure needed to begin the real work on the space. And while their attic gets prepped, right around the corner, Jennifer and Vince are with David at a house he hopes gives this family the upsized fresh start they deserve.
Check out the curb appeal. Look at this place.
We're a half a mile from the curb.
That's good. You don't want to be close to the curb.
That's why it's appealing.
That's why it's appealing, exactly.
At 3,000 square feet, this home is definitely larger than theirs. But knowing his budget won't allow for a bedroom for everyone, this house features 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Providing the much-needed sightlines is an open-concept kitchen and family room. Making sure everyone has some breathing space, this house also boasts a hangout space for the older kids and a homeschool room for the younger ones.
Come on in. This is a very charming house. Over here, you have the office space.
There's no doors, though. We need a door.
So we'll put a door in.
All right, let's keep going. Here you have your kitchen. And look around, because I think this is a serious upgrade from what you currently... What?
It's pretty dated and very white.
You can change the countertops.
So now how much work are we doing?
But does this not make it better? Having this kind of connection.
That is something that we do want.
Okay. The main floor, master bedroom.
The room's not any bigger than ours.
You're gonna walk out to a deck. You ever walk out to a deck in your master bedroom?
No.
Let's take a look at the ensuite.
Lovely door.
Do you need a door in here?
Door to a bathroom is something you sort of expect.
Zip, zip. It's done.
And then you've got a very good sized bathroom.
That's
and
nice.
there you
That's
have a
huge.
door leading to the toilet and the shower.
I don't love that the shower and the toilet are here in this kind of confined space.
We are gonna head to second floor. Okay, here you have bedroom number 1, and there are 2 other identical bedrooms to this. And I think any one of them would work for your kids, correct?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go see the 4th. Bedroom number 4. This I see as the teen space.
Oh.
You mean, you need a teen space, correct?
We do.
You want it inside the house?
That would be preferable.
Then it's probably gonna have 4 walls.
Okay, I'm going with you.
All right, teen
That was
space.
way too difficult. And here you have the main bath for upstairs. This is going to be for your kids.
And ours has a separate enclosure for the shower. We can't do that here.
Because there's a second bathroom here. You don't need that.
Oh.
There you go. See?
Now you have this incredible space. So because this is a large bedroom and it has access to a bathroom, my thinking is that the 4 kids that we're gonna share a room, do it in here.
But if we're putting kids in here, where's our classroom?
We're not done with the house yet. All right, 3rd floor. This would be an incredible space for homeschooling.
It would if it was finished. You know, every floor we've walked on, there's been another project, another project.
All right, let's go talk money, and then we'll see where things are at. What do you think this house is listed at?
425?
425.
This house is listed at $391,000.
That does surprise me.
That's like $60,000 below the top end of your budget. And that's money you could put back into this house.
There's too much work to be done
Right.
for us to move 7 kids in here and expect to start living right away.
So it doesn't work for you.
It doesn't work for us.
They should be jumping all over this place at that price.
This has more space than our house ever will have.
It does have a lot of space, but it has a ton of work to do.
So it has to be done from top to bottom. Let's find out what that costs.
I'm sorry, I just do not think this is a house for us.
I think we're walking away from a really good opportunity.
Jennifer and Vince take the time out of a visit with their neighbor to deliver Hilary a cup of coffee and get only bad news in return.
The 3rd floor, if you remember, that's where I was going to put the bathroom.
Yeah.
I've run into a hitch, which is that I don't have enough headroom there to satisfy code.
Okay.
I can't do it.
That's disappointing. Now, the 3rd floor doesn't have the bathroom or the extra bedrooms. I mean, that's not acceptable.
You know what? Honestly, hold on, because I actually have some good news. I'm taking that money, and I know you were really upset about your master bathroom.
Right.
Well, guess what? I'm doing it.
That's great news.
Well, I'm looking forward to the master bathroom, but, you know, the house isn't providing us the space we need. David's shown us something that has everything we want.
And I don't care what David's doing. I'm doing this for you.
He's doing a good job.
I don't care.
Thank you.
While Hilary is happy things are coming together in the bathroom, she's more than concerned to find project manager Jason has the HVAC apart in the attic.
What is going on here?
Everything is rusted out.
Seriously?
It's 15 years old, it's done. Gotta get a new one.
Okay, sorry, Jason, but honestly, I have to tell you, this is really serious for me. I'm stopped dead. I actually don't know what I can do anymore for this family.
I would have called you, but I just found out about this.
Knowing this unforeseen expense is going to have a huge impact on her ability to live up to her promises, Hilary needs to break the news to Jennifer and Vince.
The HVAC heating system just decided to die.
The HVAC?
Dead. Done. It's not fixable. So now here's the wrinkle to that.
Okay.
I'm really gonna have to scale back on that kitchen renovation.
You're kidding.
We really need the kitchen.
I know.
Oh, yeah, that was on the
listen.
priority part.
Look, I'm really sorry. As soon as I paid for everything and I figure out what I've got left, I am going to spend it on upgrading that kitchen.
Okay.
Okay.
Well. Oh my gosh, that is so disappointing.
Jennifer, who was on side, I think is deeply disappointed.
You know, there was a lot of things that I was really excited about, and now I'm just wondering if she can actually deliver the house that's gonna work for our family.
I don't honestly know what I can do for her.
I don't know. She could make it wonderful. I just am not really sure how at this point.
A few neighborhoods away, David thinks he's found the magic combination of the spaces they need at a price they'll love.
Is this not beautiful or what?
It's fantastic.
It is not in our neighborhood.
No, it's not, but I mean, is this not worth moving for?
At 3,400 square feet, this house is definitely roomier than theirs, allowing space for 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, an open concept kitchen and family room, a teen hangout space, a homeschool room, and a 3-car garage, all on a tree-lined lot 15 minutes from their neighborhood. With so much going for it, David hopes Jennifer will see it's everything her house can never be.
All right. Is that not incredible?
It's very grand.
Perfect.
So, right over here, you have your formal dining room area. Is this starting to get something bubbling inside you?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Keep working on me.
So, we move into the family room.
The fireplace is a little much.
It's not a huge fix. Now, one of the things I think that is big for you is connection from the family room to the kitchen.
Yes. Oh.
Isn't this beautiful?
It is beautiful.
So, is this a space you could see your family in?
It's starting to feel a little bit like that.
Can you believe that came out of her mouth? I can't. And here you have bedroom number 1.
This is a good size room.
This is a fantastic size room. And there is a unique setup in terms of the bedrooms in this house.
Okay.
So,
Oh,
you
Jack and
come
Jill.
through here. That bedroom is connected to this bedroom.
Okay.
And there is a full bathroom in the middle.
That's good. A little bit of paint work that might need to be done.
Oh, come on. Get in here.
This is great.
Right down the hall, you have the exact same setup.
Oh, you're kidding me.
So how perfect is this for your family and for your kids?
Yeah, it would work.
And here you have the master bedroom.
Oh, this is nice.
And it's got a couple of things that obviously have to come with a master bedroom. Here you have the walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
Did this work for you?
You're getting there.
I feel like I should already be there.
You gotta keep working.
Let's go. And here you have the ensuite.
Yeah?
Wow.
I think it's better than the bathroom we have.
It's way better than the one you have. Come on.
Yeah, but Hilary's gonna make the one we have better.
You know, Hilary's full of surprises.
You haven't said one major thing that needs to be done.
Except just move it to the right neighborhood.
All right, we're heading to the basement. This is going to be the teen space.
This is a very cool space.
You could not have anything like this in your house. I don't care how much money you give Hilary.
David, you're killing me.
And we're not done yet.
Really?
Nope. And here you have the homeschooling space.
Oh, wow. This is perfect.
This whole basement gives you a level that you don't have.
Yeah, this is a whole lot more space.
Are we there?
Do I have to answer that?
The fact that you said that tells me I'm there. What do you think this house is listed at?
510.
What do you think?
475.
This house is listed at $475, which I think is a steal.
I hate to admit this, David, but I really do like this house.
How am I feeling right now? Pure and utter joy.
Wow. You gotta admit that David really delivered it this time.
That is a pretty cool house.
There is no way that their house can compete with this one, especially with a basement like that.
It has a lot of what we need.
It has everything we needed.
Do your best, Hilary Farr, because it's only going to add to the resale.
But I really do want to see what Hilary can do, because I really love where we are.
It's not gonna be this big.
But it might be this good.
Vince and Jennifer head home, where at long last they get to tour their own house now that Hilary's extensive renovations are finally complete.
Hi there.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Oh, we are very excited.
Then let's go.
All right.
We go into what was unfinished attic. Take it in.
Wow.
This is how we solve the sleeping, hanging out area for your kids.
Oh, this is perfect.
This is nice.
This works as a sleep area. So Daddy can move up here, and that makes room for us to move baby Michael into her old room.
Oh, perfect.
Then she can share the other side as the hangout space when she or Nick have their friends over.
I can't believe this space.
Because we had to move the HVAC, that created enough space to give us 2 wonderful rooms.
Yeah, this is gonna work.
Absolutely.
All right, so let's keep going. And of course, here it is, his own room.
His own space. Oh, wow.
So this was your daughter's bedroom. So now, this is
Beautiful.
Michael's room. I think it was time.
It's time he got a crib.
That is awesome.
Let's move on.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at that.
Look at that.
They now have a room that when they're not sleeping, there's a place to sit and to hang out.
But I think that's neat to have the
This has so much more space in it with
What a
like,
great idea.
beds like that.
This now feels like a room that functions.
Yeah, this
Cool.
is very cool.
All right, let's move on. May I present Vince's bathroom?
Oh my
I
goodness.
wasn't expecting this.
These glass doors are oversized,
Right.
and it gives you this great sense of space.
I
like the open
love
shower.
that.
And I love the tile.
This is all porcelain on the floor.
It's gorgeous.
You've got his and hers. You can fight over that one.
We decided already.
The one with the extra storage is yours?
Do we think?
Absolutely.
And that is your new closet. Take a peek.
Oh, wow.
We have this here,
Okay.
and then it will extend all the way down into where your other closet door was. The nice thing is this becomes your master sanctuary.
It
Yeah.
really is. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. It's beautiful.
Everything feels like brand new, but all the old doors were taken off, sanded down, and refinished.
Oh, okay.
Brand new hardware,
Yeah, I see that.
Fixtures.
and of course your beautiful new
I
countertops.
love the countertop.
This wonderful seating all the way around, looking at a kitchen that you actually want to look at.
Right.
But also that ties in with this area,
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
with the new light fixture, completely refinished floors.
That looks great.
Beautiful.
It's not exactly what you asked for with walls coming down, but it is essentially a new kitchen.
Yeah, it really does look completely different.
Yeah.
I'm amazed.
That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done. Guys,
Wow.
you can afford that house.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $327,000. With a renovation budget of $90,000, the new estimated value of their home is $435,000. That increases the value of their house by $108,000.
I'm just blown away by what we have here. We have everything we need.
No, we don't. We don't. We only have 3 bathrooms. That other house had 5. And it had a bigger teen space.
It did.
I think what they wanted was what I gave them.
There is a house right here that they have grown to love because it has history, and I have actually managed to enhance the spaces so that this will work.
How about that kitchen? Oh my gosh.
But it's not an open kitchen. Now it's back to making it work instead of having what already works.
I think I'm in with the best chance because I have the elements of emotion, memories.
Do you think we know what we want to do?
I think we do.
Let's tell them.
Let's tell them.
Okay, so, decision made?
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We're gonna love it.
I'm so pleased.
So are we. It's fabulous. It's more than we ever could have dreamed of.